everyone. Today on Hello Susan, I'm going to do a Temu haul. My daughter told me about Temu back in May or June, whenever I went to the graduation for my grandson. She told me about it, and I was interested, but I was skeptical. And then I started watching other people doing a Temu haul and started seeing what cute things. So then I had to break down and go over there. So I've made 3 or 4 orders, and this is not just one order. This is more than one order, but I went ahead and decided to just do it all at one time. And the sad thing is I've got more orders coming. It's addictive, but I just love it. The prices are so good that it gets you to order. If the prices were just like everybody else's, you wouldn't feel the need to order. And then it's got these flashing signs, almost sold out. And you're like, oh, I have to get it then. But anyways, I did have fun, and I am enjoying it. And so I wanted to share my experience with you. So this is the top bag that it came in. And mostly what I was buying is trims for journals. Now, I did try to write down some of the prices, and some of the prices, it just got to be too long of a list is what it got to be too long of. So let's just go ahead and go through. This is a little tea set. It's children's size, and it's porcelain, and I thought this would be so cute to use as little charms in my journals. That's why I bought that. And then I got this trim. It comes in lots of colors, and I got it in yellow, purple, pink, blue, and beige. And let's see, I think I wrote this one down. Yes, these were 5 yards in each pack for $1.61. So I thought, oh, I can make lots of ruffles and even ties, toppers, whatever. I thought that was a very good buy for that. This right here is lace. Let me go ahead and open one of them so you can see. One is pink and one is peach, and this is the peach one. Sorry if you don't like the crinkle. I left them all in the packages to keep them protected. Where is it? Oh, there it is. And this, I didn't write down how big it was, so that's why I want to open it and show you so you can see how big it is. But I did pay $2.69 for this. So, how big is that? 3 yards it looks like. It looks like about 3 yards for $2.69. So I know that I can use this in my journals, even for the cover, or, well, the sky's the limit, really. Just have to use your imagination, but you know I had cover in mind. I dropped one on the floor. Sorry about that. Okay, now we've got some trims. This is a pink one and a blue one. And these are exactly the same. I got 2 of the pink ones because I use a lot of pink. Isn't that pretty? It's just beautiful. It's an applique type. And let's see if I have this written down. That's why I quit writing it down, because I thought this is going to be such a nightmare trying to come up with everything, but I don't see it on here. This must have been a second order that came in. And here's one that's an applique type trim. I just love those kind. Don't know about you, but I like them because they seem to be have a richer look to them. Well, you know this has an opening. There it is. Okay, and this one is pink and blue, and then it's got some green leaves. I just love that. The combination of pink and blue together, and this is 1 yard. I don't see that on here either, so this must have been part of the second order. Let's see. I've got this one. I know this was a different order too. This is really pretty. I got this in pink and purple. I didn't bring the purple one over. I'm working on a purple pocket journal right now, and I've got it over there. But look how beautiful that is. And I think I paid something like $1.79, and it's 3 yards. So to me, I love that price. I just love it. Okay, and here's some little pink trim. I tell you what, these packages are, I guess I should have opened them beforehand, but I'm just trying to keep it all organized. Look, it's just little trim, and this is 10 yards, and I'm pretty sure it was just $2.07, something like that, but I love that. I had some others that I didn't buy, and when I went back to get it, it was gone. So I guess they do sell out, but I bet you they restock real often too. This is a blue applique. And this one, I think I did write down. No, I don't guess I did. Maybe, here it is. There are 2 pieces, both pieces, and that was $1.79. So I like that price too. Okay, so then I thought, okay, well, Christmas is coming. I guess I better get some red stuff. And this is all the red stuff that I got. Just so happy that Christmas is coming. I just love decorating for that. So this is another one of the ones I showed you before that was $1.61 for 5 yards. And then I'm getting some glitter because I'm going to do some shaker cards. So I got some glitter. This one has stars and hexagons and just some little snowflakes, and this one's the same thing, stars, but I thought they were really pretty. And then I've got the red to mix in if I need to. Here is a big trim, and I think I have this written down. No, I don't guess I do. Sorry, I don't see it there. But look, you can see that that's probably 3 to 5 yards there. And then this is the applique, just like that blue one, but it's in red. And this one was 2 pieces for the $1.79, remember? Isn't that going to be gorgeous? Just gorgeous. I just love it. And then here's one that's got beads and sequins on it, and this one was $3.69, so a little bit more expensive. It's got 2 pieces. Let me get my scissors so I can open it. It's not one of those kind that I can open up without cutting it open. Okay, there you go. Now you can see it better. See how it's got the sequins on it and the beads? Ooh, I just love those. Okay, and then I got some red sequins. It's a spool of it. Not too sure anymore how much is on there, but I think it's probably a couple of yards. And that's going to be special. And then I bought these gems. My goodness. I don't know what came over me, but I thought that would be just gorgeous at Christmas. That you can sew them on or glue them on, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to be gluing them. Let me see if I can get this open. There we go. Pour them in my hand so you can see them. So you can sew them on or glue them on, but they're all these different shapes. And I just thought whether they were centers of flowers or just scattered on a cover. Oh, I don't know. They really got me. And let's see what else. Is there anything else? I guess that's it. Well, I had so much fun shopping on Temu. It's Temu.com. It does take a week to 2 weeks for you to get things. So it's not quite as fast as like Amazon, but the prices are better than Amazon. And some things that you find on Amazon were not there, but you just have to go and spend a little time and see what you can find. But I had a good time, and I'm very happy with my purchases. Everything came within 7 days, really. But they have it says it takes 2 weeks, but I got everything within 7 days. Okay, well, that's it for me today. See you next time. Bye-bye.